Happy Saturday, everybody. So I ordered myself something new here. It's the Fire Maple Vulcan Dual Blaze Pro stove. I thought it was pretty cool because I can use it as a stove, but I can also use it with my disc. So I figured I'd do an unboxing video here. We have on top 3 legs that are adjustable to 4 different levels. Back here. Okay. And I'm going to put this on top of this because it's all going to blow away. Under that, we have a storage bag for it to hold everything. And a layer of foam. Next layer, we have the little shelf that fits between the tripod legs. There. And the little shelf that fits on the side. And a little hanger for isobutane bottles. Let's see. Put this under here. There we go. Next layer is the stove itself. It's really nicely packaged. Pretty impressed with that. And there it is. That's the stove. It's got dual burners, an inner and an outer ring. It's got an igniter for each one. Your valves are here. Your gas hookup is here. Right there. Let's see. Okay, like that. And that fits on your isobutane bottles, the small screw-on ones. And what else we got? And that's it. Let's see, in the bag, we have a bag to put the legs in, each with a separator. Separator for the bag itself, and all the stuff that goes in it. Let's see, in here, we have the 1 pound propane adapter. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, it fits right on the hose. Maybe, there we go. There we go. It fits right on the hose, like that. We have an on-off valve for the gas here. That, and a set of instructions here too. Okay, moving on. So, with the legs here, just about 1 notch. There we go. We go all the way up. No. We'll go to the first notch. Okay. Yeah. And the last one here. Oops. Well, there we go. Okay, then we have the little shelf, and it fits into some T-slot holes in the back here. Can't really use them at that level though. So let's lower it some more. There. Okay. And it's got some little keyholes that just slots right into. Like like that, and then that's that. Right there like that. I like the top because I can use it with my disc, my disco. It'll hold it like that, or it'll put any pot you want to put on it, it'll work with. Coffee pot, frying pan, it doesn't matter. And then this little shelf here just fits right here into those little holes, like that. And you got a shelf on the side to put stuff on or hang stuff from. Pretty cool. Okay. And then the propane bottle, or the isobutane bottle does the same thing. It'll be back here, I guess, on these holes, and it just hangs from there. I'll have to see if I have one, and that would screw right onto the bottle. Then, if you need more heat, you can hang a bottle off the bottom and get liquid, so it burns hotter. I think it's 50-some thousand BTU when you do that with isobutane bottle for more heat. Regular is 20,400 BTU with regular, or 51,000 if you hang the bottle upside down for liquid. Okay, let me go find a bottle. So a 1 pound bottle, take the cap off. We'll just screw right onto it. And we'll sit on the shelf like that. Well, let me get the table out of the way and we'll see what this thing does. With it on the ground, it's full height. It's about 30 inches, I guess. Turn the gas on. Oh, hello. Okay, that's the inner. And there we go, that's both burners there. Okay, I brought my disc out so that we can try it. It's nice that the disc just fits on it right like that. Okay. And I figured why not try a little bacon on the fresh disc. Dang, that smells good. Okay, whoa. Almost lost one. Now it smells really good. I have bacon all over the Jeep. All the dogs are gonna love me. Let's see, that's just the inner burner right now. I like this, that's just the outer burner. Okay. Overall, I gotta say I'm pretty happy with this fire maple stove. It works pretty good cooking bacon. We'll have to see what it does with some other stuff. But I like the fact that everything fits on it. I can take the disc off and go right to whatever else I want. A pot, coffee maker, whatever, and it'll work just fine with that too. So after I've had it a little while, I'll do a little bit of a long-term review on it. But thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good weekend. I guess I should make a video of how it all fits in the bag also. So let's figure this out. Okay, we've got the little propane adapter. Instructions, we'll put up here. Propane adapter. We have the leg thing. So let's just start taking it apart. Here's the butane bottle holder. The shelf. And the other shelf. And we just take these here and just pop them off. Pop that around there. That's how it came, so I guess it should go that way. Kind of like that. Put the burners in. Drop it in here. Log of that. Take the legs and collapse them all. There. 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 Okay. And they'll go in here. I don't know if it matters which way. Might fit better this way, maybe. I guess here. Yeah, I guess they fit through that way. And the other one you can put up here. Take this out. I guess. Like that. There's a big hole over on this side. Put a propane bottle in there. And something else I picked up that I forgot about was the fire maple propane adapter for hooking up to 5-pound or 20-pound bottle. Let's see, get that here. It's here. Put these this way, like that. And the feet, I guess you just lay them in here, kind of like that. I'll throw that over there. That there. And there we go. Pretty cool. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.